Hello and welcome back to Lady Eve's Kitchen. If you are new to my channel, you are very much welcome. And to my old subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please just go and hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to have my video whenever it is uploaded. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own homemade KFC chicken. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. We will be needing chicken, and I'm using 1 kilogram of chicken wings, half a gram of wheat flour, 2 medium-sized eggs, 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk of your choice, a tablespoon of white pepper, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of powdered chili pepper, a tablespoon of powdered paprika, a tablespoon of mixed chicken spices, and some seasoning powder. And I'm using jumbo. You can use Maggi if you want. We are starting off by bringing in the milk. Next, we are going in with our egg. Next, we are going in with our chicken spices. Actually, we're going to be doing two mixtures, the wet mixture and the dry mixture. So we're starting off with the wet mixture, our mixed chicken spices, and our powdered garlic. We are not putting everything, guys, because we still have to do our dry mixture. And next, our white powder, not all of it. And next, our paprika, not all of it. And next, our dry pepper, chili pepper, and seasoning powder, not all of it. Then we're going in with our flour, also not all of it, because we still have to do the second mixture, which is the dry mixture. Okay, let's give it a good mix. Okay, now our wet mixture is ready. Let's go in with our chicken wings. And give it a good mix. Mix thoroughly. Okay, our chicken wings is well mixed with the wet spices, with the wet mixture. We can now let it set for an hour or two, or even a night. You can put it in your fridge for a night if you want to fry the next day. But I'm just going to let this set for 1 hour. The next step is our dry mixture, which consists of the rest of the flour and the rest of the dry pepper, our dry garlic, powdered garlic, powdered paprika, chicken mix spices, white pepper, And again, our seasoning flour, the jumbo. And give it a good mix. Okay, our dry mixture is ready. Okay, our chicken has been sitting now for 1 hour, and we are moving to the next process, which is the coating process. All we have to do is just coat our chicken in the dry mixture like this. Some people prefer to do the coating the second time, but I'll prefer to do it just one time. Okay, we just finished coating our chicken, and this is how it looks like. We will now be moving over to the final phase of our KFC chicken, which is the frying phase. We will want to start by heating up our oil. We are frying at medium high. We are now frying our KFC chicken. Make sure your oil is not too hot, otherwise your KFC chicken is going to burn from the outside and not well cooked from the inside. Make sure your oil is not too hot, guys. We have now come to the end of the process. Our KFC chicken is ready, and it's going to be served with some French fries, some salad, and some hot chili pepper sauce. If you like my video, why not give me some thumbs up and go subscribe to my channel so you'll be the first to have my videos whenever it is uploaded. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your meals. Bye-bye.